In this video, we're going to share with you how to restore your RV's plastics to white again without painting. So let's get to it. Hi YouTube, and welcome back to another video. My name is Aaron with MilTechRV.com. If this is your first time here, you should consider subscribing because we are dedicated to helping you with your RV. We provide you with RV accessory reviews, DIY projects, tips, tricks, and other creative stuff. So go ahead and hit that subscribe button and the bell notification icon so that you don't miss out on anything. And with that out of the way, let's get started with today's topic. First, I removed the vent cover from the RV AC unit. This is easy to do, and there are only 4 screws that hold it into place. Now before we get started, I wanted to show you how yellow this plastic really is. And then I'm going to turn it over, and this is what the original whiteness looked like, just for the contrast purposes. Now it's time to get started. So the first thing I did was to take the vent cover outside and I scrubbed it down, making sure that I hit all of the small spaces and then hosed it off. So here is the RV vent cover after I finished cleaning. You can already see a remarkable improvement, but there is still yellow, so now we will move on to the next part. Now on to the retrobrighting. We used a strong hydrogen peroxide cream that you can find at any local hair salon. We chose to use the Salon Care V40. There is an Amazon link in the description below. I next brushed on the V40 onto the vent cover, trying to cover all of the surface like this. Then I wrapped it in a plastic bag, or you can use plastic wrap. Then I set it out in the sun. Ideally, you want to come back and rotate the piece about every 30 minutes or so. At this time, I usually massage the cream around within the plastic bag. This will help to give it more of an even appearance. Finally, after 8 hours, I came back and removed the AC vent cover from the plastic, rinsed it off, and reinstalled the cover. And here are the results. You can see for yourself how much whiter it really is. This technique can be used on almost all yellowing ABS plastics in your RV. For larger projects that cannot be moved outside, we suggest you use a UV lamp instead of the sun. Lori and I would like to thank you for following along with us today, and if you know someone that would benefit from watching this video, go ahead and share this video with them. And if you haven't, head over to MilTechRV.com where you will find more posts and projects over there. Until next time, remember, live simple, live free, and enjoy the ride. And we will see you on our next video.